How did the Supreme Court of the United States get its name? In today's fast-paced world, understanding the origins of our judicial system is more important than ever. One question that has surfaced recently is, how did the Supreme Court of the United States get its name? As discussions about the role of the judiciary continue to dominate headlines, let's break down this fascinating topic. The Supreme Court of the United States received its name from its role as the highest judicial authority in the country. This court was established by the United States Constitution, which outlines its purpose and powers. The term Supreme Court reflects its position as the ultimate court of appeal and the final interpreter of federal law and the Constitution. The name signifies that it is the supreme or highest court in the judicial branch, with authority over all other courts in the United States. The origin of the Supreme Court's name can be traced back to the Judiciary Act of 1789. This act was passed by Congress to organize the federal judiciary system, formally creating the Supreme Court as the top court. The Judiciary Act defined the structure and jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The Constitution itself, in Article 3, establishes the judicial power of the United States in one Supreme Court. Congress was empowered to establish and organize this court, leading to the name Supreme Court being chosen to denote its status. This naming also aligns with the tradition inherited from English common law. In England, the highest court was often referred to as the Supreme Court or Court of Last Resort. This emphasized its ultimate authority in the judicial hierarchy. The Supreme Court was designed to resolve the most important legal questions and ensure uniform interpretation of the law across all states. Its decisions have significant impacts on American society and governance. The name reflects its critical role in upholding justice and interpreting the Constitution. In summary, the Supreme Court of the United States got its name because it is the highest court established by the Constitution and organized by the Judiciary Act of 1789. It is intended to have the final say in legal disputes and constitutional interpretation within the federal judicial system.